Last night, Bitcoin broke out yet again, hitting prices as high as 11,763. And in my opinion, this run doesn't seem like it's over. We could see prices as high as 12,000 in the near future. Also, Ethereum is trading at $358 right now, which means we are less than $10 away from hitting the highest prices we've seen since August of 2018. Guys, things are getting extremely bullish in the crypto market, so we're going to be talking about all of this and more in today's video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the incredible Bitcoin price action that we just saw. Right now, I'm looking at the Cryptowatch asset card list, and what we can see is that all of the top cryptos are in the green today. Really nice green day for crypto here. Bitcoin is up over 2.5%. Ethereum is now up 4%. XRP is up 8.5%. And all the other coins are following Bitcoin to the upside. Before we get started on this video, I want to show you guys something really cool. Check this out. This is the Cryptowatch Link app. This is actually a native app that exists on my computer. This is unreleased, so you guys are seeing this in early access. The Cryptowatch Link app is awesome for monitoring the crypto markets on your desktop. You can actually customize this, have this set up in whatever way you want. And on the bottom right, you can see the tick chart where I can actually monitor the spread of the Bitcoin price on whatever exchange I want, which is awesome for trading. This hasn't been released yet, but if you're signed up with Cryptowatch, you can use this once it comes out. So definitely click that link below and sign up for Cryptowatch. It is totally free, guys. So let's talk about the price of Bitcoin now. I'm looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, and what we can see is that Bitcoin has finally exited this multi-year pennant formation. This is incredible to see that we're creating unique market structure above the multi-year pennant formation. Bitcoin is finally making its great escape out of this multi-year sideways action. So this is getting pretty epic, guys. As somebody who constantly analyzes the macro trend, when I look at this price action here, what it tells me is that Bitcoin is finally making a macro trend shift. We are finally getting a bullish signal on the macro trend that this structure is now changing, and very likely we're going to be entering a long-term uptrend. And if you're looking at the volume, we just had a major impulse here with volume resolution on this downward sloping volume trend, right? So we finally got resolution on this volume, and we've seen a significant increase in volume here, and this is setting the impulse for the next major uptrend. Something else I find very interesting is if you take out your fib tool and you go from the high at 13.8K to low at 38.58, what we can see is that Bitcoin just touched the 786 fib extension target. Let's go to the 4-hour chart so we can see what happened here. Bitcoin came right up to the 786 fib extension. If you guys were watching the live stream last night, this is the target we were discussing. We were saying very likely Bitcoin was going to break out, touch the 786 fib retrace, and find a little bit of resistance, which is exactly what we did. But if you're looking at the 4-hour chart, what you can see is there's not that many sellers here, and we're getting bought right back up. So I actually think that it's possible that Bitcoin could see continued upside. Not only is it just the 786 fib extension target, we also have resistance here from 2018 at this exact level. And we have 4 candle body closes on the weekly chart right along this 786 level. Yeah, this is a very critical level. It makes sense why the market targeted this area and has now stalled for the time being. If the price is able to get above the 786 fib extension level, at that point, we would hit at least 12,000 and then potentially look to test the actual high from 2019, which is at 13.8K. And that sounds really bullish, right? But you have to remember that things in this market can get very bullish, much more bullish than you ever thought possible. And this is why on this channel, we have been saying, get prepared for the next major bull run. For example, in 2019 during the bear market, we were sitting at prices like 4,000 US dollars in the middle of April. And if somebody had told you in April of 2019 that Bitcoin was going to go to $13,800 in 3 months and see a 250% gain in 3 months, you would have called them crazy, right? You would have called them crazy. And the same thing goes with the 2017 bull run. If somebody told you when Bitcoin was sitting at $250 that, hey, at the end of 2017, we're going to be at 20K, you would have called them crazy, right? And that's my point, guys. Things in this market can get much more bullish than you ever thought possible. So don't be surprised to see some epic bullish price action in the next few months. Also, I'm looking at the Ethereum chart right now, which is an amazing chart to look at. And Ethereum is less than $10 away from breaking above the June 2019 high at $364 and also a major support level from 2018. If Ethereum can break above 365 US dollars, this would be putting us in bull market territory. So guys, some of the top cryptocurrencies are about to enter bull market territory. Ethereum about to see the highest prices it's seen since August of 2018. This is huge, guys. The crypto market is finally entering a bull trend. And before we end this video, I just want to mention that, companies like Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal have completely changed their tone on cryptocurrencies. Visa and PayPal are both figuring out ways for their customers to transact with cryptocurrencies and buy cryptocurrencies. This is huge. Traditional finance is completely changing their tone. We see huge investors like Paul Tudor Jones betting on Bitcoin as an actual hedge against inflation. So Bitcoin may become the preferred hedge against inflation. And now we're seeing huge companies adopting crypto. In my opinion, the next major bull run that I think is coming is most likely going to be fueled by institutional money. Bitcoin had its discovery phase, then it had the ICO mania phase. And guys, I think this next major bull run is going to be fueled by institutional involvement, right? And I do think that now post-halving, Bitcoin is looking to enter the next major uptrend following the stock to flow model. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also sign up for the Cryptowatch platform so that you guys can use the Cryptowatch Link app when it gets released. And also, if you want to support this channel directly, sign up for the Patreon, and I will see you guys in the next video.